Okay, so quickly I'm going to go through everything that I got. Mama and her baby. She's having a girl, obviously. The basket filler, because you want all the stuff to be visible and kind of up and cute. I use diapers. And I bought size 2 because everybody buys newborn size 1, so I bought a little bit older. So I'm going to fill it up right there, but you can fill it up with tissue or even like a nice baby blanket would be cute just to kind of get a filler for that basket. I got these at Burlington. I'm really good friends with her sister, so I got her an aunt mug and a best mom mug. This baby's going to be so spoiled. Her mom and her aunt are like the best people ever. So these really cute little headpieces that I found at Ross. And I found these are super cute. Little shoes and a headband. I think Burlington I got those. And then I got these at Walmart. Hello Bello little bath and lotion kit just to go with the washcloths. A little rattled toy. And I always like to try to do a variety. Not just, you know, newborn and 0 to 3. So this one is a little bit older. This is a little one, a 3-month. Another 12-month and come with little jeans. And then my daughter Emma picked this one. She loves rainbows, so. And Emma picked this one out as well. Little Jessica Simpson little sleeper. All right, so I got these little jeans because I picked these jeans because they were a couple bucks at Target on clearance. And I didn't have a top to go with them, but I thought they were just so cute. But I found these tops at Burlington in a 3-pack. And I figure any one of those can go well. This is another outfit that Emma picked out. So cute with the matching headset. This is part of the present as well. They can, of course, remove the little closet, and then this could be a toy chest or storage or whatever mom wants it to be. I'm going to take my big sander and sand all the spots that I can with that just to get it really filed down. Just get all the cracks and crevices anywhere where a little finger can get into. You want it nice and smooth. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to sand it really well and take my time on it, and then I'll stain. Okay, so 5,000 hours later, it is pretty smooth. And then these, I'm just going to use this to stand it up. Normally I do this in my garage, but it's like a sauna out there. I put 2 coats of the walnut stain and a sealant. So I'm just going to let it sit probably for a day or 2. Here it is all done. This is the walnut color. Turned out really good, exactly the way I wanted it. And the sticks are all done. I just tied them up with some black twine that I already had on hand. Okay, so now it's my favorite part. It's time to decorate and make everything look all pretty. This is my favorite thing about building one of these little closets. You get to play with everything before you give it away. I have my diapers, my size 2 diapers, and wipes. The crates, if I haven't mentioned it, these are found at Home Depot or at Michael's. I suggest Michael's because you can use the 50% off coupon. Okay, so this is my base. I had to play with it a little bit to figure out how, because you do want a little bit of a gap right here just so nothing falls out. I stood up 2 of the diapers back here just to kind of give it a little bit more support, and that way I'm not having to carry in half the box. And I like to put the cute little outfits up front because that's the ones that they're gonna see first. So this is how it's looking so far. I really like it. I try to get to where you can see everything, hopefully. Let me show you the back. And then I just hung this up here. I thought that would be kind of cute. I was gonna make a little bow, but we can just leave this as the bow. And then all I gotta do is Cricut her name as a decoration on here. That way Mom can keep the crate as a little keepsake if she wants to. Okay, so there's a little name. Mama said her favorite colors were purple or blue, and I had this pretty like shimmery blue. It was a pain in the butt to put on, but it looks cute. All finished and ready to go to the baby shower.